For the ambient air package, different scents are available to clean and subtly perfume the interior air in your BMW. A total of 10 distinct scents are available in small cartridges. These fragrances can be ordered at your BMW service partner. You can remove a cartridge in order to change scents or replenish an empty cartridge. The fragrance system can be found in the gloved compartment. Press the underside of the cartridge bracket. The cartridge holder slides downwards. The cartridge in the back corresponds to the first scent indicated on the control display. The cartridge in the front corresponds to the second scent. To remove one of the cartridges, pull the required scent cartridge out of the bracket. Now, before installing a new cartridge, remove the cover of the new fragrance cartridge to expose the fragrance compartment. Attach the removed cover to the rear side of the scent cartridge. Next, position the cartridge so the chip points away from the cartridge bracket and the exposed fragrance faces inward. Insert the scent cartridge into the cartridge bracket without forcing it. The cartridge has a magnetic connection and can be felt to engage slightly when inserted. Push the cartridge holder upwards until it engages. The fragrance menu will reappear. Make sure no objects press against the cartridge holder from underneath. Finally, close the gloved compartment. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.